Hello, friends. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I am going to be discussing a Cognos report schedule worksheet. This has to do with catalog level restrictions and how you can validate those. Before I jump into that, I want to first go to our website. I am over here in Curriculum and Course News, Active Curriculum. This is a website that Catalog maintains, and it has a list right here. This is by undergraduate and graduate, has a list of all the programs, majors, concentration codes. So when you give us section level restrictions, we need to make sure that you are using the proper codes that we then take and add those into Banner. So we don't know those codes. Those come from the catalog side. So we have to make sure that you are giving us the correct codes. So if you need a refresher on what your codes may be, you can always go here and then you can open this up. It's a PDF and then it's sorted by college. So you have ag first. So you have the college code, program code, major codes, concentrations, and then the rest of this stuff is mainly departmental coding that we do not use for restrictions. So over here on the left-hand side is where you're going to find most of the information that you need. So just a little tips and trick there. From our website, you can find those codes. And I'm also asked Kim Watley, who is in charge of catalog, to do a little video on just catalog, all things catalog and restriction wise, just to help you guys understand that a little bit further. But unfortunately, right now they're in their busy time. So that video will be yet to come. Okay, so let's go into Cognos. And I am going to talk about the schedule worksheet. So underneath the standard content courses registration, this is the main page on where you would also find your section enrollment report and your process report. Also included in this is the schedule worksheet. So we're going to scroll down here, find the schedule worksheet. I went too far. Here it is. So we're going to click on this. And then this is going to bring us to the prompt page. So you're going to select your academic period. So fall 2021. And then you can do by subject. So if you have multiple subject areas that you're responsible for, you can select multiple. And then if you just have the one, you just select that. And then this is the important detail. You actually are going to run the supplemental page only. So that is going to show you all your section level and catalog restrictions for CRNs. So we're going to click run that, and then you hit finish, and then it runs. And I've already done that. So we, for time purposes. So I ran for AAE. So you can see here that it gives you a breakdown of the course and then the CRN. And then over here on the right-hand side is where you have the restrictions. So if there are any catalog or section level restrictions, it shows here. So for this particular CRN, there's classification of 4 included, major of AAE included, and classification of 3. So this section is only for classification 3s and 4s and majors of AAE. So include means that those are included to register. Exclude means will not allow registration. So that's what the include exclude is. Another piece of information is the section text. So this is at the course level where it's the note, like the schedule note and unit time, it translates over to here. So if you wanted kind of like a one-stop shop to see all the notes on your courses plus restrictions, this is the schedule worksheet is where you'd want to go. So again, just scrolling down by the CRN, and you can tell over here there are the restrictions. So this is college level. These are some engineering colleges that they are including for this, et cetera, et cetera. So anyways, I hope that you found that helpful. Just another tool in your toolbox to help you verify schedule of classes, especially important right now since we're getting ready to publish the schedule of classes and the override request will start coming through. So if you're having trouble seeing like, why am I getting overrides for certain CRNs, you can come here and verify what particular restrictions are on your CRNs. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.